Want a data type that's simple, fast, and can't be changed by mistake? Then let me introduce you to tuples in Python. They're like lists, but with a twist. In this tutorial, we'll explore what tuples are, how they work, and where you should use them in real projects. What is a tuple? A tuple in Python is an ordered collection of items, just like a list, but here's the key difference: tuples are immutable. That means once created, their values cannot be changed. My_tuple is equal to 10, 20, 30. Print my_tuple, hash output 10, 20, 30. How to create tuples? Creating a tuple is simple, just use parentheses instead of square brackets. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print fruits. Here's a small gotcha: if you create a tuple with just one item, don't forget the comma. _item is equal to apple, comma. Print type, _item, hash output, class tuple. Accessing tuple elements. You can access elements using indexes, just like with lists. Indexing starts from 2000. Print fruits, 0, hash output, apple. Print fruits, -1. You can also use slicing. Print fruits, 02, hash output, apple, banana. Tuples are immutable. Here's where tuples shine: they can't be modified. You can't add, remove, or change items. Let's see an example. Fruits 0 is equal to grape. This will raise a type error. Immutability makes tuples more memory efficient and safer to use when your data shouldn't change, like days of the week or GPS coordinates. Tuple packing and unpacking. You can group values into a tuple and also unpack them into variables. Person is equal to Ravi, 23, India. Hash unpacking. Name, age, country is equal to person. Print name. Print age. Print country. Useful tuple methods. Tuples don't have methods like append or remove, but you can use some useful ones like count and index. Numbers is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Print numbers.count, 2, hash. Print numbers.index, 3, hash. When to use tuples? Use a tuple when your data must stay constant. Common examples include coordinates, RGB color values, or any settings that shouldn't change. Coordinates is equal to 28.6139, 77.2090, hash Delhi location. Days is equal to Mo, Tuesday, Wed, to Friday, Sat, Sun. Tuple versus list. Quick tip: choose a list when your data will change. Choose a tuple when it shouldn't. This can help prevent bugs and make your code run slightly faster. Wrap up. And that's a wrap on Python tuples. Now you know what they are, how to use them, and why immutability matters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want the next video on dictionaries or string methods.